Tools and fittings required. You're going to need an M6 drill and tap bit, countersink drill bits, electrical drill, Torx screwdriver and T30 star drive bit, and the CAF Compo fitting and silicone mastic. Firstly, you're going to want to get your electric drill and M6 tap and drill bits and drill a hole in your desired location, making sure you only drill through the top layer of the GRP, and that once the hole is drilled, reverse drill it also to tap the hole. Next, you'll need to countersink that hole to reduce the chance of cracking. Then you'll need to fill that with a silicone mastic to seal it when screwed into. Finally, using your Torx screwdriver and T30 star drive bit, screw the CAF Compo fitting into place, ensuring that it is tight and secure. And that is how you fit a Tecsew issue CAF Compo fitting.